Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video we are making beautiful Easter water, perfect way to add spring charm and festive spirit to your home. So let's start with the video. First choose your water base water with ribbon moss training to create a soft foundation. These steps give your water springtime feel and make your flowers and decoration pop. You can cover the wall base or just part of it depending on your design style. Next start adding flowers, make different color size for a lively, cheerful look. Brides, tulips, rose, or any spring. Also work beautifully. You can arrange flowers all around the wall for a classic look, or them on one side for a modern design. Try stepping back and looking at the balance as you go. It helps your wall look professional. Add Easter egg. Now it's time to add Easter egg. You can use small, medium, or large egg in pastel shapes, metal stones, or even glittery finishing. Attach them to the wall with the hot glue or small wires. Then add a bunny or chick's wig among the flowers and egg. Place them carefully so they are visible but not crowned. These steps bring the Easter theme to life. Add green and extra detail to make your wall more natural and lively. Add greeny small moss or leaves. You can also add tiny nest or decorative fairies for extra charm. If you like, add fairy lights to give a magical touch, especially if the wall will be displayed indoors. Make sure all elements are and balance. Finally add ribbon or lace to your walls. A bow at the top of butter can add a finishing touch. Choose colors that match your flowers and eggs. Ribbon can also be used to hang the wall, creating a complete elegant look. Display your Easter wreath. Your wreath is ready. Hang it on your front or above a mantel or on a wall. Step back and enjoy the cheerful springtime charm it brings to your home. This diaper chart is a fun way to celebrate Easter and create something unique and beautiful. Easter wreaths are not only decorative, they are fun, creative, and full of springtime joy. You can make them with your family or friends. Try different color and themes and creative awards that is unique to your home. So grab your matches, start crafting, and let your creativity shine this Easter. And viewers, if you are using foam straw, you can wrap it with ribbon moss creamy to create a soft foundation. This helps your flowers and decoration pop for a classic look. Cover the wall wreath for a modern style. Leave some part bar for a clean designs. Start arranging flower. Make different